Hello students, how are you? Today we'll discuss about something new which is called center of mass of an object. Yes, which is also called center of gravity. For that, let us start with an example. I have a card for you. This is the card. I want to balance this card with a finger. Just on that finger, I want to balance the whole card. If I keep this finger here, can I balance it? No, I can't. If I keep the finger here, can I balance it? No. So where should I place my finger to balance the whole card? Yes, right at center. Somewhere at center. So if I keep here, yes, here I can balance the whole card. So somewhere at the center I can keep my finger to balance the whole card. Why? Because the whole mass of this card is accumulated here. Yes, we can say that the whole mass of this object is centralized here. That's why I can easily balance the card by placing my finger here. So this particular point is called center of mass or center of gravity. I hope you got the idea. So for any object, the object which I have taken here, it's a regular shaped object. You can see that it's a rectangular shaped object. Now, for any object, whether it's a rectangle, square, whatever the shape is, whether it's a irregular shaped body, say a stone which is an irregular shaped body, for that also a particular point is there which is called center of mass of that stone, means the whole mass of that stone is accumulated at that particular point. Let me draw that figure. Say this is my stone, which is an irregular shaped body. It doesn't have a regular shape, irregular shaped body. So I can say that there is a particular point which is containing the whole mass of the body. Of all the points of the stone, the total mass of all the points of the stone is accumulated here, which is called center of mass or center of gravity. So, if I ask you the definition of center of mass or center of gravity for class 10th standard, you will answer that the center of mass or center of gravity is that particular point at which the whole mass of the body is accumulated. I repeat, center of mass is that particular point where the whole mass of the body is centralized here. Like the card which I have shown you, this is the card which I have taken. This is in the shape of a rectangle. So where is the center of mass? Since this is a regular shaped body, it's not like this one irregular. It's a regular shaped figure. For this center of mass, finding the center of mass is very easy. Just you have to draw its diagonals. This is center of mass. If you are taking a square, then again the point of intersection of these diagonals here is the center of mass. If I take a rhombus, same, where the diagonals are intersecting. If I take a say circle, a plate, circular plate, I am taking a circular disc, then where the diameters are intersecting, I have to draw two diameters. Where they intersecting? Here. This is the center of mass. If I take a circular ring, this is the circular ring. This is my circular ring. Then where is the center of mass? Again I have to draw its diameter. This is the center of mass. Now for a cylinder, we know that it has got two bases. This is the top, this is the bottom, two bases. The center of the top and the center of the bottom, say this is the bottom. The top, the base, it has got two bases. The center of those bases, if I join them, what we are getting? Correct. We are getting the height of this cylinder. Now, exact the midpoint of this height. The height, midpoint, is called center of gravity or center of mass. Now we'll discuss about cone. Oh, one more thing I forgot to inform you, that for a solid, for a hollow, for both the cylinders, center of mass we find in the same way. So it's a solid or it's a hollow. Whatever it is, for solid and hollow cylinder, center of mass we find in this way. Now for a cone, this is the cone. Say it's a hollow cone, because for solid and for hollow cone, the center of mass is different. Yes, for a cone, for a hollow and solid, center of masses are different. Let's see. For hollow cone, again we are taking the height, and the total height will be divided by 3. The total height will be divided by 3. Whatever the answer you are getting, you have to measure that much from here. Say the height of this is 15 centimeter. Height of the hollow cone is 15 centimeter. We have to divide by 3. So 15 by 3 is 5 centimeter. So from here you have to measure 5 centimeter. Say here, this much is 5 centimeter. So here is the center of gravity. Now for a solid cone, it's a solid cone. For solid cone, the formula is different. It's h by 4. If the height of this cone is 20 centimeter, that will be divided by 4, that is 5 centimeter. So again we have to measure from here. Say this is 5 centimeter. So here is the center of gravity. So you have to measure from the base. Don't measure from here. Always measure from the base. It's h by 3. This is h by 4. All these figures which I have mentioned here are very important for class 10 standard. I hope you understood the idea. Thank you.